When you reach the stage of bone-on-bone arthritis, every step can feel like grinding sandpaper. You've probably tried those cheap compression sleeves from the drugstore, only to find they do, well, nothing. Today, we're talking about the best type of brace that actually works for severe osteoarthritis and how it can help you delay or even avoid surgery. Hi everyone, I'm Michaela with Arthritis Knee Pain Centers. We specialize in helping patients regain mobility without invasive surgery. One of the most frequent questions we get is, what is the best knee brace for bone-on-bone arthritis? The answer isn't a brand, it's a specific type of technology. Let's get into it. What does bone-on-bone actually mean? To understand the brace, you have to understand the problem. In stage 4 osteoarthritis, what we call bone-on-bone, the cartilage that cushions your joints has completely worn away. Without that cushion, the femur and tibia rub together. This creates inflammation, bone spurs, and that sharp, stabbing pain. A simple sleeve provides warmth, but it does not solve the mechanical problems of the bones touching. Think of it like Spanx for your knee. Before we look at the specific braces, I want to hear from you. Have you already spent a small fortune on knee braces that didn't really work? Drop a comment below. Tell us which ones you've tried and if they gave you any relief at all. We read each and every comment and use your feedback to create more helpful guides just like this. For bone-on-bone pain, the gold standard is an offloader brace, commonly called an unloader brace as well. Unlike a sleeve that merely squeezes the knee, an unloader brace is a rigid device designed to shift the weight away from the damaged side of your knee. Think of it just like a car jack. It literally unloads the pressure from that bone-on-bone area and moves it to a healthier side of the joint. This creates a tiny bit of space, enough to significantly reduce your pain and let you walk much farther than you could before. Now, a word of caution. You can't just add to cart on a high-end unloader brace and expect it to work, because these braces change the mechanics of how you walk. They need to be professionally fitted and prescribed. At Arthritis Knee Pain Centers, we offer advanced unloader knee braces and ensure the brace is calibrated to your specific knee condition. A poorly fitted brace can actually cause new pain in your hips, your ankles, even your other knee. So getting the right fit is just as important as the brace itself. A brace is a fantastic tool, but remember, it is just one part of your total pain relief. At Arthritis Knee Pain Centers, we combine advanced bracing with non-surgical treatments, such as knee gel injections, to provide you and your knees with the best possible treatment combination to avoid painful surgery while getting the knee pain relief that you deserve. If you're tired of bone-on-bone knee pain, check out one of these videos on our YouTube channel and visit our website to do a deeper dive on how a knee brace could benefit you. We'll link those in the description below. You can also schedule a no-charge knee screening at one of our medical practices near you by calling 1-855-430-7251 or by visiting arthritiskneepain.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to relieve your knee pain. Let's get you back on your feet.